I was absolutely sick of my electricity getting cut off every day by that slap in the face that Eskom calls load shedding. So I installed a 2000-watt inverter and a battery in my caravan at a cost of 11,000 Rand in total, and I did the installation myself. I watched a super installation video by a very nice young man called Will Prowse, and I highly recommend that you watch it. It gave me all the information that I needed, and it also gave me the confidence to do the job myself instead of paying an installer a few thousand Rand more. I can add solar panels at a later stage if I want to, but right now I can charge the battery when the electricity is on, and I see no need to pay for and to lug around a heavy solar panel when I don't need it. It'll just be something more to store. The system that I bought provides 220-volt power when the electricity is off to run my computer, internet router, TV set, DSTV decoder, the caravan lights, and to do any battery charging that I need to do. So my evening lighting and entertainment requirements are sorted out, and I can happily watch TV or a movie or sports event on the internet during load shedding. And I can do my work at any time as the computer is always available and it doesn't switch off anymore during load shedding. When load shedding starts, the inverter switches over to the battery automatically without switching off my computer or my TV system. Everything just keeps on playing as normal. There's a loud beep and everything keeps going. Once load shedding is over and I have electricity again, the incoming electricity charges the battery. The battery charges very quickly. I think it takes about 10 minutes to charge up what's been used in the 2-hour period. Now the inverter is an older design. It's a pure sine wave inverter, and you must get a pure sine wave inverter for a number of reasons, and you can look these reasons up yourself on YouTube. It's another section, but a pure sine wave inverter is the type that you must get. My inverter is a bit heavy at 12 kilograms, but it's a proven design, and it's about 2,000 Rand cheaper than the modern wall inverters, or wall mount inverters, I suppose I should call them, which only weigh about 5 kilograms. My inverter runs off solar or battery power and can take up to 50 volts of solar panels. So I can charge the battery using a solar panel if I have no electricity at all sometime in the future. I installed a 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery, the new generation of lithium batteries. This one is only guaranteed for 1 year. Everybody says they're going to last much longer than 1 year, but we'll see what happens. The cost of the battery was 7,000 Rand. It's quite heavy at 14 kilograms, but has some fantastic safety features and is much safer than the older LiPo batteries. They tended to burst into flames sometime. I didn't want that in my caravan. Now when load shedding starts now, I get 4 bars on the battery, and after 2 hours when the electricity comes back on, I still have 4 bars on the battery, so I've hardly dented the battery's capacity. I bought the battery and the inverter from Solar Warehouse. They gave me very good information on the telephone. They were prepared to talk to me and to listen to me on the phone, and that gave me a certain confidence in them as a company. You don't want to get ripped off. There's so many solar experts, they call themselves, who will take your money and send you the wrong thing or whatever. Anyway, Solar Warehouse's review ratings on the internet are good. The ratings for their products that I bought are also very high, and their prices are very good. I ordered and paid for the equipment on a Monday morning, and the battery and inverter arrived the next day, which is incredible service in South Africa. I put the system in myself. It's very easy, and I had no experience before I started. I always think, I'll give it a try, and it worked very easily. Now I only run my aircon and my kettle and microwave and fridge and the other high-draw items that I have in the caravan when the mains electricity is on. During load shedding, I use gas to boil water or to heat up food, and my fridge stays cold for 2 days when the electricity goes off, so I just wait until electricity comes on again and everything is fine. I was very happy to find that I can still get internet when load shedding is happening. I'm with Vodacom and their cell tower batteries in my area anyway seem to last for about 2 hours. Have a look at some of the other inverters. Perhaps you want a bigger, lighter system to run your stuff, but prices go up sharply for systems that can run heavier draw items like air cons and kettles. You need a bigger inverter and you need more battery power. I've only had my system for 2 weeks now, and I'm a little loath to recommend it as something may pack up in 6 months' time. But I thought I'd share this information with you as the system has improved my life incredibly, and I don't even notice load shedding anymore.